Today we're here for the inaugural conference of the Association of Ophthalmic Nurses of Ireland. So this is our first conference. It's a very big day for us. We've done a lot of work to put this all together. We have a great turnout today, which I'm absolutely delighted about. There's nurses here from all over the country. So it's important for us to get everybody together so that we can all meet as a group and network, collaborate and get some education.
So we kind of felt we had brainstormed ideas, from a couple of years ago, and our chairperson, Mary AONI, has been really kind of instrumental and driven in kind of leading this vision that there should be an association for ophthalmic nurses in Ireland. Over the past couple of years, particularly in ophthalmology, there has been extensive waiting lists, and the key role of the nurse has kind of really been instrumental in actually getting patients seen in our current healthcare system. Nationwide, we're all kind of developing different services and having great impact for our patients. And I suppose having an association to support the educational development of nurses, support them in their career development, but also to actually celebrate and showcase what we're doing around the country for eye care.
This is the first nationwide ophthalmic association for nurses in the country, so it's great that we can provide this service to everyone around Ireland is welcome to join, and ideally it's going to encourage people to look at their own practice and see how they can promote it themselves, how they can further their own skills and learning with regards to ophthalmology.
The support from Thea has been fundamental in setting up this organisation. We wouldn't have had it set up without Thea. They have been more than supportive for everything from first meetings to getting a committee together and helping us with getting accommodation for hotels, for meetings, also in setting up our website and helping us with all of that, for organising webinars and speakers for us from the UK and from Ireland, and in organising and setting up speakers for our conference.
So I spoke about 150 years of heritage with Thea. Our innovative products are preservative-free being a pillar of ours, and also education being the core to what we do. And our support here really is around education and ensuring that the nurses, the ophthalmic nurses, get the right forum, get the right network opportunity in order to educate themselves and share ideas and share best practice.
I got involved with the AONI. It was by my communication with Mary AONI, who was very, very interested in education. And I would sort of do small training exercises in the South Infirmary and CUH. And Mary was very keen to set up a formal training for ophthalmic nurses. As a nurse myself, I realised the importance of continuing education, and a formal, I suppose for the AONI, it was a formal place where they could meet to formalise their education instead of ad hoc training going on around the different centres. It was to bring it all together and to improve networking for the nurses.
The journey to get to where we are today has taken us about 2 years. We originally started with a biometry study day about 3 years ago with the support of Thea and Anne McWilliams, and from there and through communication with Anne on a regular basis, we got the idea to develop an association for ophthalmic nurses. I think AONI is very important as an organisation where people can collaborate together. They can share best evidence-based practice and standardised practice across sites, which I think is very important. And if there's a new role being developed, instead of trying to organise everything from scratch, there will be people within AONI that can give support and help to develop new roles and give help with policies and procedures.
So I hope that people will feel like they have learned loads today from all the amazing speakers that we have. You can join the AONI, it's quite easy. So we have our own website. It is www.aoni.ie. On the website you pay €75 and that gives you registration with the AONI for a full year. The website itself just has a wealth of knowledge on it, and we're continuing to develop it as we develop the association.